So it all started when I found my dream bag. Small, cute, pink, everything I ever wanted. But I ended up with the next best thing, which was this tote bag. Because no matter how much I love this bag, I always find myself gravitating back to its second cousin, the tote bag. They say love conquers all, but that's not the case, since if I stayed with my first love, I wouldn't be able to bring anything out. It was just too impractical. After the honeymoon period, reality sets in, and we go back to our second choices. So let's do what any grown-up would do. Make the best of our second choice. As you can see, this bag is very plain, so we're gonna spice it up to the salon. So we're gonna turn a tote bag into the tote bag. The first step is the design. Get out your sketchbooks and flip through it until you land on something that you're happy with. I picked this cool rabbit character when I drew it. Then moving on to the next step, which is sketching. So I decided to do this digitally because it saves so much time and it's easy to manipulate. And we hit our first wall for the day. So whenever I don't know how to draw anything in my art style, I've always gone to Pinterest, search what I want to draw, and get inspired. So this is what it looks like digitally. It's gonna look so sexy when I put it on the tote bag. Without further ado, it's time to paint. So here I'm using some masking tape to position my piece and to prevent me from painting over the edge. Then we transfer our sketch and have a break. And get back to work. I find it helpful to mix all your paints first. The painting is done and I'm going to sleep because it's already 1 a.m. Good morning, guys. So to start the day fresh, I first make my bed, then I brush my teeth, then I take a very nice walk to the kitchen and get myself a tall glass of water. Finally, I change out of my clothes into something decent and continue painting. Let's go. So to complete this piece, I'm gonna use postcard markers, mainly blue and purple. To draw some lit as lines. Let's go. And the piece is done. So all that's left to do is find a cute outfit and go out in the world with my creation.
Until the spring liberates me from my winter hell. I've got candles and candy. I can be your daddy if you only let me creep into your prison cell. Hey baby, can you tell I'm not a criminal? Your choice is seminal. I want you to stay.
I had the whole day planned out with my new bag. We were going to go to an art museum, have a spectacular lunch, spend time together, have a wonderful date, and we were going to fall in love. Even had a little secret time in a dark room.
Speak low, stand in your row. Try not to show this life's a show.
All in all, who needs lover number one? I mean bag number one. Okay guys, see you next week. And